Hello everybody, my name's Jill Clay. I run a company called Festival of Japan. We do a multitude of things, so we do tours to Japan, we do crafts, we do shows, we do private functions. We've done all of this for 30 years. The Festival of Japan part of it has been 21 years. But I'm getting older and I want to spend more time at home. So what we've decided to do is something that I've been pushed to do for a long time, and finally I've agreed to do it, and we're going to do our own channel. So it's not just going to be about Japan. There will be a lot of stuff about Japan. So if you're a Japanophile, it's absolutely perfect. But if you're not, there's going to be stuff that we can put in there that you can very easily do. Nothing is going to be hard. I've been teaching for a long time, so I understand how to teach different levels for people. Everything we're going to do is fun. So I'm welcoming you into my house. This is my house. When I started with painting, so I'm going to introduce painting back into my life, do exhibitions, but I'm also going to show you how we paint later on. But what I want to get started with first of all is the key factors of Japanese textures. So Sashiko stitching is one of the things that everybody loves to do, so we're going to start right at the beginning with that. And then I want to go on to Furoshiki wrapping. I want to go on to Chigiri-e, which is Japanese papers. So we're going to do a lot of Japanese-based stuff, but you can take that subject and then change it into whatever subject you're already doing. So it's wide and varied. If you send me an email and tell me what you want me to do, if I can do it, I'll give it a go. First thing I'm going to start with today is what's in my sewing box, which is what everybody wants to know. And do I need lots of equipment to do the things that we're going to be doing? You really don't. So the first thing I'm going to do is Sashiko stitching with a sewing box. Got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.